Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Netgear Orbi smart home setup after router replacement, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Netgear Orbi smart home setup after replacing your router, begin by unboxing and connecting your new router. Plug your new router into a power source and connect it to the modem using an Ethernet cable. Wait for the new router to boot up completely, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Open a web browser on a connected device and enter the router's default IP address in the address bar. Log into the router's admin page using the default username and password, typically found on the router's label. Follow the prompts to set up your new router, configuring your internet connection settings as needed. Once the router is set up, ensure it has an active internet connection. Next, unplug the power from your existing Orbi satellite units. Connect your Orbi router to the new router using an Ethernet cable to facilitate the setup process. Power on the Orbi router and wait for it to establish a connection with the new router. Once the Orbi router lights indicate a stable connection, unplug the Ethernet cable. Now, power on the Orbi satellites by plugging them back in. Wait for the satellites to sync with the Orbi router, indicated by a solid white light on both the router and the satellites. If the lights indicate an issue, press the sync button on the Orbi router and then on each satellite within 2 minutes. Next, open a web browser again and log into the Orbi management interface using the Orbi's IP address. Check the internet connection and ensure that the Orbi system is recognizing the new router. If all settings are correct, your smart home setup should transfer automatically. Test your connected smart devices to confirm they are functioning seamlessly. If you encounter issues, restarting the devices usually resolves most connectivity problems. Lastly, adjust any settings or configurations in the Orbi management interface as needed to optimize your network performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.